So I dug into the cable situation a little bit more, and what I've learned is that this cable that I thought was incorrectly made was just not made for my bike. Apparently, before 1980, Harley-Davidson had a single throttle cable system and went to a dual cable system in 1981. So 1981 through 1987 Sportsters and 1981 through 1989 Big Twins ran KEIHIN Butterfly carbs, and those carbs require cables that have travel of 3 3/4 of an inch or 95 millimeters, and these cables apparently also fit late style Mikuni carburetors. And then things changed in 1988 for Sportsters and in 1990 for Big Twins when Harley started running KEIHIN CV carbs, and those carburetors require cables that have longer travel, and that is 5 inches or 127 millimeters. I am also seeing some distinction after 1995, so basically 1988 and 1995 XLs and 1990 through 1995 Big Twins seem to have different part numbers cable-wise from 1996 and on. And honestly, I'm not sure what the difference is exactly. I know that the travel is still supposed to be 5 inches for all of them. Another thing that I do see is that there are different types of elbow angles offered. This particular one you can see here is 90. You can also get a 45. Again, depends on your application. So I guess the question is, why did I get the wrong cable for my bike? Fault is partially mine. I kind of rushed into it and I purchased it online, so I saw the seller advertising Dyna and I grabbed the cable. Now when I returned to the ad and looked at it more closely, I saw that the seller identified the model as Dyna and the submodel as FXR 1986. Well, and FXR is no Dyna, and so clearly, you know, there's a bit of mislabeling going on, but if I read the ad more closely and I saw the years, I probably would have moved on. Another situation I think that you might want to watch out for too is that if you have kind of a hybrid case when you have a mid-80s Big Twin, for example, but has been upgraded from a KEIHIN Butterfly carb to a KEIHIN CV. So in that case, of course, again, running cables with 3 3/4 inch travel is not going to work for you. You're going to have to go to a longer travel cable. I hope this helps. Thanks.